Imagine a world where your phone knows you better than you know yourself, not by guessing your tastes but by learning your habits in real time. That's the double-edged sword of modern tech. We crave these hyper-personalized experiences, yet we panic when our data feels exposed. It's the paradox at the heart of today's innovation, where convenience and privacy collide. Picture this: your phone doesn't just recognize your face, it learns the way you tilt your head, the subtle quirks in your smile, even how you hold it when you're deep in thought. No passwords, no second-factor checks.
It's so personal it feels like magic, until you question if it's too much. Samsung's new see-through security feels like a superpower, your phone learning your habits before you even think about them. But is this the future of privacy, or are we trading one lock for another? Let's see how it stacks up against Apple and Google, who've been playing it safer. Until now. This isn't just about unlocking your phone anymore. It's about whether Samsung's new see-through security is a leap toward true privacy, or a step into uncharted surveillance territory. Imagine your device learning the rhythm of your movements, your unique.
Imagine your phone recognizing you not just by your face, but by the way you walk, the pressure of your grip, even the tiny tremors in your handwriting. Samsung's latest see-through security isn't just about unlocking faster, it's about blurring the line between convenience and intrusion. The question isn't whether it works, but whether we're willing to surrender that last piece of privacy